Is your Moen shower having temperature control issues or showing signs of a worn-out cartridge? Welcome to Kitchen Faucet. In this video, I'll show you how to remove and install a Moen 1222 cartridge in a Posi-Temp tub and shower faucet, using the proper steps to complete the repair safely and correctly. Not all faucets are the same style and may vary slightly depending on the faucet model. Let's get started. Step 1. Prep. Before getting started, turn off the main water supply and open the shower handle to relieve any water pressure and drain the lines. For this job, gather a Moen cartridge removal tool, a Phillips screwdriver, a hex or Allen wrench, adjustable pliers, needle nose pliers, and safety glasses if desired. Step 2. Remove. Unthread the set screw with the hex or Allen wrench to detach the handle. Next, loosen the handle adapter screw with a Phillips screwdriver and remove the adapter. Pull off the key stop, adjustable temperature limit stop, and stop tube. Using needle nose pliers, remove the cartridge retaining clip, make sure the cartridge is in the ON position and that the notch in the stem is facing up. Now remove the cartridge from the valve. If needed, use the Moen cartridge removal tool to help pull the cartridge out of the valve body. Step 3. Install. Apply grease to the cartridge O-rings on both sides. Make sure the HC symbol and the notch in the cartridge stem are facing up. Insert the new Moen 1222 cartridge into the valve. Reinstall the retaining clip to secure the cartridge in place. Slide the stop tube, adjustable temperature limit stop, and key stop back into position. Finish by reinstalling the handle adapter and handle. Once everything is reassembled, turn the water supply back on and test the faucet to make sure it is operating properly. And that's how to remove and install a Moen 1222 cartridge. Thanks for watching Kitchen Faucet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.